Fact-style writing is an explanation of features, advantages, or benefits of your product or service. This type of writing works well for including statistics and data information. Again, let's start with the 4-step writing formula. Step 1. Start with a question or a problem that addresses your target audience. Are you looking to create awesome explainer videos? Here is a straightforward question addressing the target right away. You can almost think about it like a mathematical equation. Are you X? X being the target audience. In this case, someone looking to create explainer videos. Step 2. Answer the question or problem with your solution. With Powtoon, you can easily create your own animations. Explainer videos are great for all types of businesses and even for teaching. You can have little to no video production or animation knowledge to get started. Also, very straightforward here, getting right into what the product is and explaining its purpose. Step 3. Outline some features or benefits to support your claims or explain how it works. With Powtoon, you get access to royalty-free content like engaging animations and graphics, a variety of characters, colorful backgrounds, music tracks, and more. This part of the script becomes a bullet-pointed list explaining specific information that the program includes. Step 4. Lastly, end with a call to action. Captivate your audience's attention and tell your story. Start creating an explainer video right now with the free plan. Powtoon. Make it awesome. This fact-style writing ends with a powerful call to action using words like start and right now, and mentioning the free plan to entice people to try it out with no obligations. And at the very end is a repeat of the company name and the slogan for emphasis and branding. Again, here you can also include any contact information like the website, phone number, or email.